fix Final Fantasy XVI black screen crash on launch for PC. Are you frustrated because the game won't start, showing a black screen or crashing instantly every time you try play? This usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, corrupted game files, or conflicts with DirectX and Windows components. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall the game, tweak hidden system files, or run complicated commands, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this problem quickly and safely in just a few steps. First, we'll verify and repair the game files through your launcher to remove any corruption, then update your GPU drivers and DirectX to ensure compatibility, and finally, adjust graphics and startup settings so Final Fantasy XVI launches smoothly without crashes. This method works on almost all PC setups, keeps your save files safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix black screen crashes and get the game running perfectly, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and finally enjoy Final Fantasy XVI on PC without frustrating launch crashes or black